Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link will be down below. Get one of these at a low cost and see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. But if you like this item, all you gotta do is click the link, add it to your cart, check out now. Here we go. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. Ooh, baby. Here we go. This is coming from my good friends over at Vamvo video projector. Look at this bad boy. Here's all the good side. This 44 to 200 inches. Oh boy. 16 by 9, color temperature 16 keystone, manual corrections 15 degrees, LED 1920 by 1080p, resolution 1280 720 RGB, imaging technologies TFT LCD. Definitely excited to show you guys this. Hook up your PlayStation 5, your Nintendo Switch, and Xbox and all that goodies. Retro, you can do movie night. Hook up the Fire Stick. Do some outdoor movie night. Here we go. Push it to the limit. Alright. Nice little travel case. And you got the zipper right here. We'll set this up downstairs and give it a try. Got some pouches, manuals. Should be easy. Don't need to use these. User guide. Got the cables, audio, video, power cord, remote control. Gonna need probably AAA batteries, which I do have, and I'll hook that up and then put this thing downstairs and test it out. There we go. Standard remote. Garbage in there. Then we got HDMI cord. I'm not gonna need that because I have a couple downstairs already. Here's the main course. Vamvo. Oh man, I gotta zip it back up. Here we go. Vamvo. Not that heavy at all. Got a side control. Boom. Make sure that's off. So you adjust. And more buttons on here. Power, menu. Here's the back. Ooh. Computer, you can hook up. USB, got two, one HDMI, headphone jack, AV jack. And this must be the sensor for the remote. And there's a little thing right here. You can adjust for kind of like a mini tripod. You can do like that. And of course you can hook it up to another tripod unless you got something where you keep it. I'll show you guys how I have it set up downstairs, so I'll definitely test this out in a few seconds. I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I got it set up down here now. Really clear, guys. I just gotta adjust my settings and everything where I'm gonna have this projector set up. So I just gotta move a few things around, like the table, maybe move it up a little closer. But I mean, right now it is super quiet. Can't even hear it. I got my computer running to it. Yeah, I gotta clean up around here, so, but I just gotta move it back a few, maybe an inch or two, to fully adjust it. I mean, we'll take a look. Lights off. Oh, come on. There we go. But look how clear it is. Oops. That is super clear. About up to 200 inches, so can't beat that deal. All you gotta do is click the link down below, get one now, and they'll ship this to you fast. So definitely a good one to have in case you need another backup, but this will be your permanent one. So I mean, that is just amazing, especially for games and movie night. Look at that though, that's like super clear. It's like watching it in the theaters. You don't have to pay $20 a ticket. There you go. So definitely check them out. YouTubers, be safe. Have a good night. See you soon.